In this video, let's find out how to access 598 scripts of the Mirae asset Sharekhan BigTrade Plus universe and place up to 3 orders in one go. Step 1. Begin by clicking on the hamburger menu. Next, click on Equity and navigate to the EQ Market Watch. Select NSE Cash BigTrade to access the updated sheet with 598 scripts. To place an order, simply click on the desired script. You'll see the order on your app. Click Buy or Sell based on your requirement. Select Buy BigTrade Plus on the order window. Enter the required quantity for your order. Mention the market price or set a limit price for your order. Add the book profit trigger price based on your expected profit and set the stop loss trigger price to limit your downside. Remember, if one of the trigger prices is hit or matches the market price, the other trigger option will be cancelled automatically. If neither is triggered, at 3:15 PM, the system will square off the position. Finally, confirm your order. You'll receive a confirmation on your app screen. That's it. You have successfully accessed 598 scripts and learned how to place up to 3 orders in one go on Mirae Asset Sharekhan BigTrade Plus. Happy trading!
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.